Please subscribe to our channel. For latest updates, don't forget to press the bell icon. Hello and welcome to Piping Official. Today we will learn the basics of piping system. Pipes and piping systems are the veins and arteries of chemical process plants used for transporting liquids, vapors, slurries, solids etc. under various conditions, as imposed by the process design of the plant. The network of pipes is subject to extremes of temperature, pressure, flow and combination of these. In addition, they are subject to corrosion, erosion, toxic condition and radioactivity, all of which calls for proper piping design enabling trouble-free operation of the plant over a long period of time. Capital cost of piping forms a large portion of the investment in the plant, exceeded only by that of major equipment. Pie chart, refer Annexure 1, shows the relative cost of various material components of a plant. As can be seen from the chart, piping accounts for nearly 15% of the overall material cost. Pie chart, refer Annexure 2, shows the man-hour effort that goes into design engineering at home office for various engineering disciplines. Normally, out of the total engineering effort covering project management, detailed engineering, procurement, inspection and expediting, etc., 65% of the hours are required for detailed engineering. Out of this, 25% is required for piping engineering alone, the balance 40% accounting for civil, mechanical, electrical and instrumentation engineering. Progress in piping engineering being very much dependent upon the feedback of equipment data, static and rotating, as also on control valves and other inline instruments. A close monitoring of the schedule of orders for these equipment and follow-up with vendors for data and drawings is required to finalize piping plans, generate isometrics, order bulk piping material as well as piping specialty items and release drawings to site for speedy construction and thus facilitate prompt startup. That's it for today. If you like my video, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe.